My man Julio.
Hey, what's going on, brother?
You've been the Batman of the shoot. You appear, you disappear.
Yep.
You are getting me drunk as we go.
That's the goal.
What are we making today?
All right, so right now we're just we're gonna get a couple of limes.
Okay.
We're gonna fresh it up, muddle it a little bit.
Love that. Love that.
You know, get that little citrus going.
Yes, sir.
All right. We're gonna do a splash.
Okay, what are we doing? A simple syrup?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay.
All right. A
little bit of Saint Germain.
of Saint Germain. Yep.
Ooh.
And we're doing a quarter of Aperol.
Love it.
All right.
And our base is really going to be?
Yep. Patron.
Patron. Love to see it.
All right.
Give me a hefty amount. I like that. He knows how I like my drinks.
All right.
Boom. Give it that shake. That shakes. That J-Lo up in here right now.
All right. Here we go.
Boom. Wow. Wow, that color.
Get a little bit more in there. All right. And our garnish, just a lime.
Quick lime.
Yep. Cheers.
Cheers. Now, you recommend I squeeze that lime in there?
Oh, yeah.
All right. For all you guys, try this drink. Come to Osalute. Do it. Matawan. Yep. Oh, man. Cheers. Wow. You know, Julio, you're correct when I say that this is we're ending summer.
Yep.
That's that good entry level in the fall.
To fall. Yep.
That's awesome.
Thank you.
That's awesome. Best of both worlds right there.
Absolutely.
My man.
Thank you.
Appreciate you, brother.
I appreciate
Thank you so much. Thank you for getting me completely wasted. Yes, sir.
All right.
Love you guys. Yep.